You just bought your new home, you're celebrating with champagne, but there's a couple things that you need to know, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, the first thing is closing day is a whirlwind. The whole process is a whirlwind. You got to do a mortgage, you got to do inspections, you got to get an appraisal, you're learning what escrow means. So take a deep breath because we're going to go over all the details to make sure that you really understand it. Okay, so the first thing to keep in mind is you're either going to get the closing documents in paper form or in a PDF. You definitely want to make sure you keep those so you can go back and reference them for tax purposes. You want to keep your survey for when you sell the house or you do any improvements on it, and the rest of the documentation just to make sure that you have it all. So don't throw that information away. So that's the good paperwork. Let's talk about the bad paperwork. Your deed of trust is recorded with the county and that becomes public record. Now there's companies that go in there and data mine all this information of yours and they send you really official documentation that's going to say Cornerstone Home Lending on there and they're going to be asking for money. It's all trash. If you're not sure, take a picture and send it to me, but it's going to be junk mail, I promise you. The only money that we're asking you for is your mortgage payment. And it's important to know where and when to make that mortgage payment to. So your mortgage payment is actually not due till the first of the following month when you close. So for example, if you close in May, your first payment's not due till July 1st. Now you're gonna have information with the closing documents that we told you to hang on to about how to make the first payment, but then you're also gonna receive information from us in the mail and email. If you're ever unsure of when or where to make that mortgage payment, call me and I will definitely let you know because I do not want you to miss that. Now, if you're buying this as your primary residence, the next thing you need to keep in mind is file your homestead exemption. Now, the homestead exemption does two things. First, it's going to lower your property taxes by about 20%. Property taxes in Texas are very expensive right now, so you want to save every penny you can. Second, it's going to cap the amount that your property tax payment can go up every year by 10%. So that's going to also save you money in the long run because we've seen houses appreciate more than 10% right now. So definitely make sure you file that homestead exemption. Now, the next thing you're going to get is an email from me inviting you to join HomeBot. Now, HomeBot is like your own concierge, which shows you the current value of your home, what rates are doing, if there's any other good or bad things going in your market. I custom tailor this to you and your home, so you're going to get exact information on that, and it's going to keep you updated on what's going on as you go through the years. And last, but definitely not least, is please make sure you go in and give me some nice reviews because we've worked so hard together. And tell all your friends and family. I love referrals from clients and love to help you out. So those are the things that you need to know after you bought the house. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, definitely give me a call. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like.